Hey guys, we are here with David Carson and he's amazing. I'm going to ask him a couple of questions. If you join while we're still live, feel free to message any questions and I'll ask him them as well. So let's turn this around. David, so we obviously love your design and I've admired your work for a very long time. What do you think made you successful as a designer? Was there one particular thing that brought you to being a successful graphic designer?
Oh, I don't think there was one specific thing. I think for whatever reasons, I have a way of looking at things that worked when I discovered that I liked graphic design and was passionate about it. And there's always a succession of things and opportunities. It's not, people say, oh, it's just in the right place at the right time or something, but it's not that. It's the definition of good luck is when preparation meets opportunity. And I think that was my case. I was able to get in this skateboard magazine when I just discovered that I was really excited about graphic design, and that was my schooling in a way, and I've been in it ever since. So you have to be the right person in the right situation, and if you do something because you're passionate about it, it's probably going to work out.
I love that advice. And if there is someone maybe a bit older, so they're a successful designer right now.
Nobody older.
Well, someone more experienced watching us right now, and they want to know how do I progress from where I am now? How do I not lose the curiosity? How do I not lose the passion for design? What would be your advice?
Well, it's nothing you can force. In my own case, I've already taken a bunch of photos in about 2 days since I arrived, and somebody said, you're always scanning, aren't you? And yeah, I'm just curious. If you don't have that, I don't know how you can keep it going, because it has to be real, it has to be sincere, and I'm very curious about everything that's going on, and I don't try to stay relevant or current or something. I just do what interests me, and hopefully there is a progression in the work, and I feel there is, and there's still things I want to do, and I still think the best work is coming. And if somebody is feeling they don't have that anymore, then you got to listen to that and figure out where that is. Maybe it's something totally different, and that's okay too. The key is to find that thing you're passionate about.
Brilliant.
And I'll leave you with my talk. But just because it parlays into it pretty well, the definition of a good job, and I've said this a lot, but is if you could afford to, if money wasn't an issue, would you do that same work? And if you would, you've got a great job. And it's maybe not your first, second, or third job, but it's a good goal. And at some point, if you were independently wealthy, would you still do that same work? And if you would, that's a great job. You're going to be dead a long time.
Brilliant.
Find that thing.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot, David.